this is part of my morning practice routine. This is an exercise I got from Cheryl Bailey. And what I just did is I played all of my minor 7 chords and dropped 2 voicings on the top 4 strings, the middle 4 strings, and the low 4 strings. And I interspersed each minor 7 with the chord's respective 5 chord. It's kind of a Barry Harris thing or a Wes Montgomery thing, but regardless, it's a cool thing. And I'm just kind of practicing some finger picking because I'm not super awesome at that, and that's something that I want to get better at if possible. And it really keeps my brain engaged as I'm playing this exercise. I've got to think of what's the next chord, what's the next inversion, what's the respective 5 chord, and then keeping track of all of that 5 times through the cycle. So when you saw me stop and, I paused, I, probably just got lost in my thought and, a different thought than what I was doing, and had to kind of come back to the guitar. And this kind of practice is really helpful in figuring out how well I'm focusing for that day. And, really with the camera on, it makes me very aware of, how well I'm staying on target while I know this camera is on. So it kind of mimics a live performance in that way for me. So I hope you enjoy this video, and feel free to subscribe, reach out for guitar lessons. I've got some group classes that I teach online every month, and all kinds of stuff. So drop by my website, leadcatpress.com. Thanks.